If me teach you how to fish, then you can go ahead and teach someone else. You'll have this knowledge for a lifetime. And share the information. Nobody be too stingy, man. Just watch it now. Watch it out. You never know where I miss. Hey guys, the list is out. It's finally out, guys. So I was supposed to do this video yesterday, but they called me in for a double. Yes, so I did a double yesterday, and I was supposed to do so much things after work. I was supposed to leave 3:30, but instead I left 9 o'clock, and that just ruined my whole day. Even though I got not really extra money, because this week is very slow, and they gave us 3 days off, so it kind of make up back for the 3 days off. So it's like I only had 2 days off, if you understand. So the list is out, and I just want to talk about some stuff and just talk to you, because I know say if I get this video out, like me literally, I'm like close me now. But literally just get out of bed, brush my teeth, spread the bed so that I don't know so the bed nasty, understand? And video, like come to give you a video, because I know so I'm not gonna say, imagine this girl says she gonna be consistent and she not release a video this week and then gonna start persecute me and all them something there, even though me give you 2 videos last week. But it's alright, it is okay, no matter how my hair look, no matter how my clothes look. Yeah, I'm coming to you with another video. Yes. So basically in this video I'm just going to talk about the list. I'm going to talk about what you need to do, and I'm going to just rant about some stuff. So if this is your first time on my video, please subscribe, like, turn on the post notification so that you won't miss a video whenever I release it. And if it's this your 100th time, your 10th time, and you know say subscribe, welcome back. You're my day one. Venessa bless, yeah, no one can contest, yeah, that is you guys. Welcome back, and like out the video, okay? Alright, so guys, I don't know what happened, but it seems like I have a slight little cold because I've been coughing. I think it's the AC, because I've been in the AC non-stop in the hotel where we work, like the corridors AC, the rooms AC, and then I don't know what happened from the other night. I've been sleeping in AC, like girl thinks she big. We don't know what happened anyway, but I've been coughing the whole night last night. And as I said at the intro, I was supposed to do this video yesterday, but I didn't get to do it. I was supposed to pull my hair out, but I didn't get to do it. And I'm going to take a flight in a couple hours, so I have to get this video up and out. Okay, so today is, and let me tell you something at work. Okay, I'm going to show you something at work. Today is Tuesday, and Tuesday you're going to get the video. Watch and see. Tuesday, January 10th. Make sure it's showing up. Make sure it's just me showing up, because I'm not lie. I'm gonna get the video out too. No, okay. Alright, so the list is out, guys. Let's go back to the list is out, guys, and at the introduction, right, it said 2022. So someone forwarded the list to the group, and everybody was like, no, that's not the list. That's not the list. Don't you see that it said 2022? Well, apparently they made a mistake. Like, people make mistakes, yeah. But I was just looking because I was at work. Like, I never have that. Like, I don't know, but my group members, me, like, I woke up early yesterday. Alright, I woke up so early checking to see if the list was there. There was no list. I went to my bed like after 12, checking to see if the list was there. There was no list. And like, people in my group got anxiety. They even called out of work because they're waiting on this list, right? And in the moment when I got extremely busy, that's when the list was dropped, and everybody was just applying, searching, doing their research. And big up to you guys, kudos to you guys, whoever followed my instruction and just on your game. Like, you see, we're not gonna get the job. Yeah, we're not gonna get the job. Yeah, man, not gonna get the job, because you know, do the dupes, we don't practice, and know when it come out, you know, like, God shall bless you. We're not gonna get a job, man. And if you confirm so I'm not gonna get a job, just type amen down below. Yeah man, type amen, because guess what, you agree with me and you have God backative up there. Yeah man, amen, you're going to get the job. Alright, so I'm just ranting. Like we're telling you, you know, once you go before the camera, like just feel like sit one of the day and we just feel nice. And yeah man, that's why I'm have to continue. I'm gonna keep it going. Yeah, keep it going. Okay, so the list is out and it came out when I was busy, right? But when the list came out, as I was saying before, everybody was confused because the date was wrong. But the list last year had 88 pages, but this one will have 150 odd pages. So that means we have more companies coming on board. So there's a greater opportunity for us to seek employment. Okay? Now, I know there is some concern as it relates to LLC, which is the limited liability companies. So basically that is a group of companies that protect the owners from being, you know, charged or for any liability happen in the companies, right? Like any taxation, like if the company ever running a debt, it protect them, right? Because it's like a group of owners. They you don't really have like a, you don't really direct it to one person. And you know, if you go to court and 10 people witness on your behalf, you know, you kind of walk away free, even though you do the job. You understand? Yeah, so it kind of protects them. A lot of persons going into LLC. So the concern is that some people can't find them, right? And I don't have the direct answer right now, but I have a partial answer. So what I can tell you is that to search in Google, and so when it comes up and like it tells you the name and everything, then you can go on the company website and apply through there. Now if you search and you see a whole lot of things come up, then that means there's a group of people wanting outside person, but they're under the one umbrella, if you understand. So continue to search, and then like even for now, you don't even have to focus on that one right now, because there's a whole list. Like there's 150 odd pages. Like there's a whole list. Remember when I said to go into the search, take this the case number and search it up, look at the position that they're offering, focus on one thing at a time. And also when you're doing the list, ensure that you are taking notes or you're marking it off just to say that, hey, I applied to that one, I don't need to apply to this one, because you want to know that you are going through the list and you're touching everybody, and you don't want to be sending like multiple applications to one person, because that one person may be annoyed. If you understand, just like how them be annoyed at me. But I'm not saying that you're not supposed to, but at the same time, like say for instance, you did it today and then you did it tomorrow. No, give it time. You understand? And yeah. So just follow the video, follow my video, follow it if you don't know if you do, follow it, and if you don't have the list, go down into the description box and then you'll see the Telegram link. Join the Telegram group. Like there's 205 person there now. Like I still have to close the group. Like there's so much people there. Right. Yeah. And also stay in the group and help each other. Right. Think about yourself first. But whenever you get a link and you get like somebody interview you or whatever, share it on the group, because guess what? Sometimes these companies or these employers are not really good. And somebody in the group already been with them and can say, hey, you got to say no, brother, because if you go there, so you're not going to make any money, and the time to write and all these stuff, you know, people can look out for you. So share information, and yeah, let's keep it going. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. I been getting a whole heap of messages, like a whole heap of messages, and I don't mind getting messages, but messages like, can you walk me through the process? Or a message like, I don't know the first step. Or a message like, how do I apply for H2B? Message like, can you give me a job? Message like, like really? I am not an agency. I am not giving out jobs. I don't have jobs. I am here just like you looking for a job. Okay, so don't go there in my Instagram asking me question like, alright, asking me to give you a job. No, I don't have no job. I don't have a job. I'm just here sharing my knowledge. Okay? There's from last year, last year, before I came up, I was doing the same thing like you, searching, and there was no one to give me information. There was no videos, right? Everyone kept it to themselves, right? And after research upon research and being in a group and getting more educated and knowing more stuff, getting more knowledge and putting the work in, I decided like, hey, I can't keep this to myself. I have to tell my good subscriber them. Yeah, I can't keep it to myself. And that is the reason why I come up and do these videos and so forth, because I don't know, like when I grow up, when I did in a university, like if me did know what me know when the time when I start in university, but I done university a long time, probably not there further in life, because I actually spent 7 years in university. And the reason why I spent 7 years in university is because I didn't have any money. And then there was this God-sent angel that said, you know, you can't go on a J1 program. We never know one name J1 program. I was hear about this. We never know if we could ever go foreign. Never know. Well, we did go foreign already, but we never know if we could go on a foreign program go work. We never know. Like, we did think say once in a school, we have to just do a school time. Never know so there was like a summer program. I never know. But God see me struggles. Yeah, God see me struggles. Send an angel to come tap me on my shoulder and say, you can't try the J1 program. And the day when I tried out the J1 program is the day when my life changed. Well, not really, because since me give my life to God, my life changed. But you understand what I'm saying? You understand it, right? Yeah, it's like things have changed. Like I left from doing 2 courses, 3 courses to being a full-time student and doing like 5, 6 courses, right? 5 for falls and 5 for the spring. And then in the summer, I would go away and work and come back and pay my dirty money for school. I don't have to take student loan anymore. Even though now I'm on student loan. But me no whole student loan this one bag of money because I only took 1 year. So, that, like, there and then, someone pinched me and tell me, say, hey, there is a J1 program. Try it now. But you have people been going on it for years. Nobody wants to say anything. There was no video on it. And I was like, if I was struggling to go to university and we feel like we didn't have the average class, you understand? We feel like we did kind of okay, but it's just that I couldn't pay my school fee because I didn't just me want to pay the school fee because I immediately see the benefit of going to school. My mother was like, go and go work. It's not like she say, school don't make no sense, but you see, you know them old time people when them grow up, them start up business on them own and all them something there. So my mother's like, go and go work. And she don't really have it like that. And my father, them not really, I don't think them understand the whole essence of university, even though them in a sense. But university changed my life. Not the fact that I learned something, but the fact that I went on a program. And that program caused me to come in the United States, see what it's like to make money in the US and comparing the money from US mediocre work to Jamaican bank, police, big tapper work and realize say, yo, it don't make no sense. Makes sense me go foreign, go do housekeeping, even though I wasn't doing housekeeping, but it makes sense me go do housekeeping, clean shit, and collect me $500 a week rather than stay in Jamaica and collect $500 a month. It makes sense. And because of that, my mind was shift. And I was like, I don't want to work in Jamaica anymore. So every year I went on the J1 program apart from when COVID came. Right? And then after that, I left school. I was like, nope. I have to find a way to go up on the H2B program. And even then, I was searching. There was no information, like literally none. Like, you know them say Google have all of the answer? Google never have the answer them the time. They don't know what happened, but them never have the answer. And we find it out, and me hear me share it to you. So all me ask now, watch the video them. If you don't get it right now, watch it again. Because I feel like I did what I could. I feel like I break it down to you, but less enough use a list. You can just go up on the website and apply. Right? And if you want to go in detail, if you want to be more serious, you can use the list. Like I feel like I break it down in so many ways. Right? There's 2 videos. I did a live. Right? And when I did the live, people was asking questions and I was answering the question and I went over it twice. And I also went ahead and did a sit down video and I was like, the people them not seen it properly and I don't think the audio was clear and it was too long. So let me just do a separate video for doing the list. And I did that. And people have the nerves to come in my inbox and say, can you give me a work? Like really? I don't understand. I don't know if I'm lazy or just not comprehend or not sense of reasoning. I don't understand. Right? And I'm not trying to diss anybody. I'm not trying to. I just like I don't know. We feel like say, don't just don't watch the video. Like honestly. You have some people them see the video and them say, oh, this person don't pick up on the J1. Or let me ask her. This person don't pick up on the H2B. Let me ask her if she can give me a link. No. Me a teaching her how to fish. Right? I'm not giving you the fish no amount. If me teach you how to fish, then you can go ahead and teach someone else. You'll have this knowledge for a lifetime. Like, if somebody get up and give you the fish, that means that you don't know. Next time, when them gone or them out of your life, you're not going to know if you do the next time. And every time when you come up here and get an employer, that employer going to want you back. You understand? So, if you learn how to do it yourself, then you can go ahead and do it every year. When you come up here and you decide to say you want extension, you can do it on your you can do it for extension. Like I am teaching you the step-by-step process. Just take a little time. Watch the video. Like, yes, I want to look hours, but me feel like my work fit. You understand? Because there's only one other person talking about it. And that other person is somebody we know. You understand? And most of them probably know her too. But we take with time out to do the video. Or any video, just watch it and comprehend it. You understand? Watch it. Nobody go in and the message and ask for foolishness. Like, it's like when me see it now, like a nerve. Like, I don't understand. I don't know. Tell me if me know clear enough. That is what I want to know. Am I not clear enough? Do I need to do something more? Like, do I need to? I don't know. I understand that some people not tech savvy, but if you can't do it, ask somebody to assist you. Remember, I have a life. I am actually here working, and if we don't know, work in America not the same like Jamaica, because some people work 6 days a week. We work on weekends, and the one little day we get is either we want that day to run errands or to clean up the place or to cook. You understand? So it's people don't really have time like that when it comes on to working in America. And yeah, some people have 2 jobs. So me take my little time and do the videos on my day off and put it out there so that you can watch it. Just watch it now. Watch it out. You never know where you miss. And stop look for the code word, which is to get the little free money. By the way, put black. Black is the color today. Right? And put black and a number. Okay? So put black 1. And then the next person will put black 2. Because guess what? I realize that people just come and look for a code. Like everybody put red, them are gonna put red too. So put black 1, put black 2, just continue counting. I'm not saying now go synchronize. It might not synchronize, but let's see. And anybody will have the number beside the black color gonna qualify. You understand? Yeah. And then another thing too, for every video, gonna have an entry once no comment. Yeah. So let's back to the meat of the matter. Yeah, so in a sense you come a trial, look for something. No, look at $50, look at $100, look at $200. Nothing compared to when you know the knowledge and can do it yourself and come back and work. Yeah, it don't make no sense. Like, sit down and watch the video. Even if, we know my voice annoying and me annoying sometimes. But I for your own good. You understand? It's for your own good. Put it on the TV. Like, when I have on a phone, like most people have them phones stuck to them. Put in the earbuds, make it play. When they are at work, listen to it. Practice. Practice become perfect. Like, I don't understand. Like, when I go ahead and I ask, even underneath the resume video, I went ahead and I said, this is how your resume should look. Put a picture, whatever, and how to line it out. And people coming into my inbox asking me to do their resume for them. I never one time said in the video I am doing resume. Me not charge nobody for doing a resume, and me not doing it for free. There is so much templates online. Even in words, there are templates. And even if you cannot do it, you can ask somebody or pay somebody to do it. Like right now, if you have like a compassion for me, you know, me working girl, you know. And me not say I'm not working, you know. But me I do videos. Me I work. Me I try to do little TikTok. Me I try to keep myself. Me I try to enjoy the little moments them. And it's like I don't want to take my time for me to do video resume and to apply for you. Like remember if me apply for in a guarantee say I'm gonna get to work, and in a guarantee say me I go put in the work where you could have done. You understand? So you know what you really want. And you are going to do as much work or you think it's fit for you. Me not going to do it. If you tell me if you apply for you, I probably apply 1 and 2 times and just call it a day. Even if you pay me. You understand? So, just do the dupes. Know me a rant. I know this is not the perfect video, but I just feel like listening to this and talk to you, and make you know what's up. You understand? And we need to get a video out there. And as I told you, I have a flight in the next couple of hours, so we can't really do a really structured video today. I'm working on a vlog too. Yeah. I'm kind of, we shouldn't say it now. We shouldn't say it. Because no, I'm not going to look out for your vlog. We shouldn't say it, man. Enough. Yeah, I'm working on a vlog because I don't only want to just stand and talk to them. I wanted to see the lifestyle of us here as an H2B person. Right? So, yeah. So guys, sorry for telling you off. Unsubscribe if you want to unsubscribe. But subscribe. And share the information. Don't matter be too stingy, man. Share the information. Like guys, like another thing. There is so much person applying now because the knowledge is out there. Like so much people know what they don't know. So much people don't have to go to Ministry of Labor. Like so much people don't have to ask people for a link. So no enough people. Like you have some people in that take heed enough, but you have people with tongue and them suck up every milk, everything to the dry, suck my information dry till there's no more. And them even learn pantapite. And you see them? They've been applying. And you see right now, guys, there are so much people applying that you have to go put in the extra work. You see, last year, enough people not applying now. But you see, this year, oh God, man, because information is out there, there's a lot of person applying. So, guys, I don't know if you ever want something so bad that you lose sleep, that you not really eat. Yeah, that is how you're supposed to do it now because enough people are applying. So, put in the work, put it in. Like right now, me a fret. So when I go back on my yard, it's like hard to come back up because so much people are applying and there's so much competition now. And then when people come up, them are gonna be returnees. Like me have to know nice up our employer. So when time I go back on my yard, me can say, yo, take me up now. Take me up. Take me up. Thank you for your continued support, like honestly. Thank you for, everything. And guys, I want you to share the step-by-step process. Because you see, I feel like if more people know, it will stop the poverty in Jamaica. Poverty. You can't stop poverty still, but at least somebody can get up and help them family. And then maybe that one person who they plan to rob a bank, see a way out and say, yo, me can do this myself, I don't have to depend on the government, Not for rob nobody, you know. You understand? And it can probably save a life. So share the other videos. And yes, me may want to share because more people to see it and they show it build up me watch time. But really and truly share it because the reason why me even share my knowledge is to help people. So share it so you can help somebody else. I don't know where you want to share it, anywhere. Share it in a group, share it on Facebook group, share it. Just share it so that people know and know how to. So guys, continuous just push. And I'm gonna do another further research because last year I found out how to find LLCs, and I'm gonna try and do a video on that during this week. I am traveling, so I don't even know why I even said during this week, but let's see. I'll try. Okay, I'll try. So if you reached this far in the video, you have not yet subscribe, like but subscribe, like up the video and drop me a comment down below, and good luck. I pray God blessing all over you. I pray say whenever you do the interview and the employer see you, them say, no man, there's something special on this child, there's something special on this person, let me take this, like, even if me don't know if me have full certification, me I put on this person on the top of the list. Like, you will continuously be on that person's mind whenever you do the interview. We pray say access granted to all of you, all who reached at the end of the video. Yeah, me pray say access granted. Me pray say no come up here, and when you come up here, when I'm making no money, and then message me and say, yo, thank you Ven, thank you V-La-Nessa, thank you for everything that you've done. I have made it, and I'm here, and I am happy. Like, me pray God blessing all over you. Yeah. All of the blessing way upon me, we put it upon you. The Bible say, silver and gold have I not, but whatever I have, I put it on you. Yeah. So all of the blessings that God bestowed unto me, bless you. And even more blessing than me. Yeah. Because you don't deserve it. Because you don't watch out the video to the end. Yeah. Alright. So, thank you for watching. Bye.